Your new charming coastal cottage awaits. A beach condo under $250,000 is a rare find, and this one is a gem. This adorable unit sits across the street from the sugar white beaches of Gulf Shores and adjacent to your deeded access to Little Lagoon. Bring the water toys. A boat ramp, fishing dock, gazebo, barbecue areas, huge pool and covered assigned parking are all included with this beautiful condo. Perfectly located within walking distance of restaurants, retail and activities, along with the rental potential and low monthly fees make this condo an exceptional investment property. Updated paint, LVP flooring throughout, barn door, bathroom vanity and living room furniture provide calm and comfort. Sit on the porch, catch the beach breeze and watch the palm trees sway. This condo unit is an incredible space for relaxing and building memories for you and your guests. Don't delay. This prize beach retreat will not be on the market long,